問題4、
問題4には絵などがありません。文を聞いて1から3の中から一番いいものを一つ選んでください。
例、
お国はどちらですか？ 1、
あちらです。
2、
アメリカです。
3。
部屋です。
はい、問題 for our example question answer is number 2. アメリカです。Right? So, person A says, お国はどちらですか? So, your country, どちらですか? Where is it? So, this is a very polite way of somebody asking you, where are you from? And that's a natural translation. Where are you from? お国はどちらですか? And then the answer would be アメリカですね. In this case, the person comes from the United States of America. アメリカです. Right? The number one option was あちらです. It does not make sense. This would be like, for example, トイレはどちらですか? Where is the restroom, right? あちらです. But in this case, お国は refers to your country name, so it does not make sense. And number 3 was 部屋です. Oh, it's a bedroom or it's a living room, it's a room. Also, does not make sense. So let's move on to the next question.
1番、
リーさん、リーさんはいつ日本に来ましたか？
1、
去年です。
2、
5時間です。
3。
3ヶ月です。
Number 1. The answer is number 1. 去年です。Okay? Person A says, リーさん。リーさんはいつ日本に来ましたか? So, Mr. or Mrs. Lee, when did you come to Japan? 日本に来ましたか? いつ when ね。And then the answer, 去年ですね。Last year. Right? Number 2 was 5時間です。So this doesn't make sense, right? 5 hours. So this would make sense, for example, if the question was, how long does it take for you to come from your country to Japan, right? Number 3, you might actually had chosen this one. It is, I would say, a little bit tricky, ね。3ヶ月です。Which translates 3 months, ね, for 3 months. And the reason why you might have chosen this is because, you might think, oh, I've been here for 3 months, right? But it's tricky because if you have been to Japan for 3 months, you would say 3ヶ月ね、経ちます。ね、経ちます is like it's been. So you need that verb 経ちます or 3ヶ月前ね、I came 3 months ago. So you need that my ago vocabulary. Only 3ヶ月です does not really, is not grammatically correct, which is why the best answer is number 1, 去年です。ね、I came last year. However, yes, number 3 is quite tricky, I would say. All right? Let's move on to the next one.
2番、昼ご飯はもう食べましたか？ 1、
そうしましょう。
2、
食堂ですよ。
3、
いえ、今からです。
Hi, so the answer is number 3. いいえ、今からです。No is from now, right? What is from now? So the A person says, 昼ご飯はもう食べましたか? Have you eaten, ね、昼ご飯 lunch? Or did you have lunch already? ね? And then the answer, いいえ、今からです。Like, no, I'm gonna go for lunch now. I'm having my lunch from now. So number 1 was wrong because it was そうしましょう. Oh, let's do that. All right. So this would be correct if the guy says, the person A says, oh, do you want to go to have lunch together, right? ね、一緒にご飯食べに行きませんかみたいなね。そうしましょう. But that's not the case. And number 2 is 食堂です。食堂 means the place where you go and eat, like for example university or schools, we have the shokudo, where they prepare the food and they serve the food. It's like a restaurant. but in this case, again, it does not meet, it does not really reply, right, to the A script. So that therefore, number 3 is our best answer. Let's move on to the next question.
3番、美味しいクッキーですね。どこで買いましたか？
1、
デパートで買いましょう。
2、
はい、そうです。
3、
私が作りました。
3番 the answer is number 3. 私が作りました。I made it, ね or then. So let's look. The person A says, so let's look at the script. Person A says, 美味しいクッキーですね。These cookies are delicious. どこで買いましたか？ Where did you buy them? Where did you get them, right? And then she replies, oh, 私が作りました。Oh, I made them. I made the cookies. So that is your best answer. Number 1 is wrong because it says デパートで買いましょう. This is very tricky because if it was デパートで買いました、it would be a perfect answer, right? Oh, I got them at the department store. But 買いましょう is like let's buy, let's, then make the action of the verb. So therefore that's wrong. And number 2 was はい、そうです. Again, it does not match the A person's script, right? So this would be correct if it was like, did you make this cookies yourself, right? 自分で作りましたか? And then the answer would be, はい、そうですね. Oh yeah, I made them. That's right. But again, that's not the case. So therefore, number 3 was our best option. Let's move on to the next question.
4番、
明日、京都に行きますね。何時の飛行機に乗りますか？ 1、
はい、飛行機で行きますよ。
2、
4時半の飛行機です。
3、
1時間ぐらい乗ります。
Hi, number 4. So number 4 is the answer number 2. ね、4時半の飛行機です。So the airplane from 4:30. So the question was, person A says, 明日京都に行きますね。Oh, tomorrow you're going to Kyoto, right? ね、right? Is that so? And then she continues, 何時の飛行機に乗りますか? What time are you getting? So 乗りますか is to get on the plane, right? To get on, in this case, the plane. So 飛行機に乗りますか? On which plane are you getting on? What time is your flight? Would be a better translation. And then the man says, 4時半の飛行機ですね. Oh, I'm boarding the plane that leaves at 4:30. Number 1 is incorrect because it says, はい、飛行機で行きますよ。Oh, yes, I'm going by plane. That does not match what she says, the person A. And then number 3 is, 1時間ぐらい乗ります. Now, this would be correct if the question was like, how long is going to take for you to get to Kyoto? How long is your flight? But again, it does not match. 1時間ぐらい乗ります. So number 2 was our best answer. Let's go to the next question.
5番、
すみません。田中さんの電話番号を知っていますか？
1、
はい、わかりますよ。
2、
知りませんでした。
3、
電話をしていません。
Hi, number 5. The answer is number 1. はい、わかりますよ. Yes, I understand. Or in this case, I know. So let's look. Person A says, すみません。田中さんの電話番号を知っていますか? Excuse me. Do you know the phone number of Mr. Tanaka or Miss Tanaka, right? And then he says, はい、わかりますよ. Yes, I know, meaning I know the phone number. Okay? Number 2 is incorrect because it says, 知りませんでした. Like, oh, I didn't know that. So that doesn't make sense. And number 3 is, 電話をしていません. I haven't called, right? This would be correct if it was like, did you call Mr. Tanaka ね。田中さんに電話をしましたか Then the answer would be, いいえね、電話をしていません。No, I didn't call. ね。But again, it does not match. So number one is our best answer.
6番、
夏休みはどこかへ出かけましたか？
1、
旅行しましょう。
2、
どこへも行きませんでした。
3、
外国から来ました。
Hi, so number 6. The answer is number 2. どこへも行きませんでした。I didn't go. 行きませんでした。どこ where へも means to nowhere. Okay, so I didn't go anywhere. So person A says, 夏休みはどこかへ出かけましたか? Did you go? 出かける is like to go out, right? So did you go anywhere? どこかへ during the summer break, ね? Summer holidays, 夏休み. And then どこへも行きませんでした. Nope, I didn't go anywhere, right? Number 1 is incorrect because it says 旅行しましょう, right? This would be correct if it was 旅行しました. I went on a trip. But しましょう is inviting, let's do it. So that's not correct. And number 3 is 外国から来ました. I came from abroad, from another country, which does not match what the person A says. So therefore, number 2 was our best answer. それではまた。バイバイ。